Are you someone who is looking for extraordinary results in your life, but you're stuck in laziness and procrastination or habits and behaviors that don't serve you? Let me share 3 secrets with you with which you can live an extraordinary life and grow 10x faster. Number 1, how you can reprogram your mind to become a powerful and influential person, the best version of yourself without wasting years in trial and error. Number 2, how to subconsciously break all your internal barriers easily and rapidly. And number 3, how to achieve massive results in your life faster and achieve in 2 to 3 months' time results that would have otherwise taken you 3 to 4 years to achieve. And that too, irrespective of your current circumstances and skill sets. I'm Shenoy Manek, a master trainer of Neuro-Linguistic Programming and a mentor to coaches. And having trained thousands of individuals over the last 19 years, I know that the results that these secrets produce are nothing less than extraordinary. So how can you program your mind for success? By using a powerful rapid transformation system that incorporates the cutting-edge tools and strategies of neuro-linguistic programming and hypnosis. In my 2-hour masterclass, Program Your Mind for Success using NLP, this is exactly what you will learn to do. No beating around the bush, just pure strategy and skill. So you can choose to do nothing right now, or you can choose to invest a few hours of your time learning some powerful life-changing strategies. Click on the link now and grab your seat right away. And hey, did I tell you? It's absolutely free. See you on the other side.